Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dagal, and in this native ads tutorial I'm going to show you how you can launch a direct linking campaign in volume DSP in order to promote a product that is called Okinawa flat belly tonic that is available on ClickBank. I'll show you everything in a step-by-step process, so watch this video till the end. So volume DSP account looks like this, and once you come here, simply you need to click on create and then click on DSP campaign. So you can select here native, and then you can select the traffic source. You can select any of these, but today in this example I'll select rep content. So once you select here, then select this and make it active, and then click on next, and then give this campaign a name. You may put rep content at here, rep content country USA. So it is just name, okay? For your memory you can type anything you want. Okinawa. Okay, and once you do this much, then you need to put the destination URL. So this is the URL for Okinawa flat belly tonic. Let's open it firstly at here. Yeah, so this is the link for Okinawa flat belly tonic. Now let's put it at here, paste it, and after this TID is equal to, if there is anything, then just click on this click ID. Okay, this TID is equal to curly bracket click ID curly bracket close. This need to be in here. Okay, so once you do this much, then there is the brand domain that you need to put. You can simply copy this getokinawatonic.com and paste it at here. Okay, other thing, there is nothing you need to do at here. Once this is finished, then you need to click on next. So now in targeting, you can select United States or any other country you like. So for this example, select United States, and then web, and which device you need to you want to target. Okay, let's target desktop or maybe mobile or tablet. Let's target mobile and tablet. Okay, and then you can limit the operating system. For example, you just want to target people who are using iOS device. Okay, and you can simply click on limit and select this, I mean deselect this, and then only select iOS. Okay, you can do this if you want, or you can also target all operating system. It's your choice. And then as you know, we are sending people to the video sales letter, where they will need to watch this video for 30 to 45 minutes. That's why it is always better to select this Wi-Fi, but you can always test if mobile, this 3G 4G would work for you or not. Okay, so for this example, we'll select this Wi-Fi. Now we are only targeting iOS device. So what you can do is you can come here and give it a name. So here you can put iOS, mob iOS. Okay, so that you can remember this is targeted to iOS device only, mobile and tablet. Okay, so let's come to targeting again. So web, mobile and tablet, limit operating system iOS, Wi-Fi only, and then once this is finished, then you can simply click on next. So now you need to bid. So as you can see here, so if you need 25% of traffic, then you can just bid this. Okay, if you need 50% traffic, you need to bid this. If you need 75% traffic, you need to bid this. However, you can always let's say there is 0.4 and 25% 0.4, 50% 0.61. That means you can also bid 0.50 if you want. Okay, or maybe you can bid 0.75, or maybe you can bid 0.85. okay, as you can see here, you are bidding for more than 75% of the traffic. Okay, whatever bid you want to put, you can put. Also, what if you are completely new, then what you can do is you can go with lowest volume of traffic and then gradually increase. But it is always better to put at least 75% of the bid, so that you can get good amount of traffic to your offer as soon as possible. Okay, once you do this much, then you can just select it and make it unlimited. And then in daily budget, type $250. As you can see, I only have $19.25, but I still can make daily budget $250. Okay, and because of this I can target smooth. Okay, otherwise if you only put $50 at your budget, then you cannot spend your budget smoothly. You need to sell, you need to spend this budget as soon as possible. But if you have only $50, $100 in your account, and you can still put 250, then you can select this smooth option. Okay, and in daily per site and app, it's your choice how much you want to spend per site per day. Okay, so what you can also do is you can maybe you want to just spend $10 per site. Otherwise what happens, sometimes your single widget can spend $50 at once. Okay, if you don't want that kind of things, and if you don't have time to manually watch those things, then you can limit the daily per site spend here in this way. Okay, so once you do this much, simply click on next, and it's time for creative. Now you can simply click on new creative. Now always don't firstly upload images. Okay, firstly fill these things. So in CTA button you can put watch now. In icon, let's click on browse, and then let's put this one. Okay, and then in brand name, let's put flat belly tonic. You can put anything at here. Okay, this is not compulsory. You can you may put your best flat belly tonic, or you may put belly fat news, whatever you want to put. This display brand name, in this display brand name you can put it. Okay, and once you do this much, now in case of headline, so one thing is extremely important. Okay, so you are not using the landing page at this phase. So let's say /01. So okay, so if you were using a landing page, by the way, if you want this landing page, then I made it in System.io by myself. I'll give a link in the description for this and other 3 landing pages that are similar. Okay, you can get it in one click. This is a Sharefunnel link. You can click on it and you can directly get this landing page in your System.io account, which you can sign up for absolutely free without even putting your card info at there. Okay, you can get it. So if you are using a landing page, then what you can do is you can modify these headlines and you can put that kind of headlines at here. But now you are directly sending people to the video sales letter, so you only have the option of this headline. So now most people will not teach you this thing, and I'm going to tell you what you exactly need to do in order to get sales. Okay, so this is the core headline of the video sales letter, so that you need to make your headlines congruent. Okay, in this way, ancient tonic males body fat so crazily that doctors are ancient Japanese tonic males 54 lbs of fat drink daily. Okay, you need to make your headline in this format, not in this format. Okay, because you can use this kind of headline and it will work in a correct manner if you are using landing page. Okay, so that's why we will put these 2 headlines. Okay, so now in description, what you can do is, in description you can simply copy this and then you can paste it at here. You can remove this, or maybe if you want to put it, you can put it at here. Okay, so now Now it's time for us to put the image at here. So simply click on upload image, and then so here are the 3 images. So let's select one, click on open. So now just see if everything is looking fine at here. So yep, it seems fine. But at this time, I don't know why this headline is not showing, maybe because of the net problem, but this headline will also show here. Sample, it is a sample preview. Okay, so once this is good, simply click on save. Oh, yeah, the headline appear, ancient 20 males body fat so crazily that doctors are. Okay, so this incomplete sentence also make people click these kind of ads. Okay, so they will see this result oriented thing that this woman may have lost, and this title they will read and they will click on it and they will reach to this video sales letter and watch the video sales letter. And as you know, our headline is congruent to this video sales letter, so most likely people are going to watch this video sales letter, and the selling process will happen once people watch this video sales letter above 30 minutes. Okay, so now let's upload another this one. Okay, so everything seems fine. Simply click on save. Similarly, upload another, open, and then click on save. Okay, so now we have 3 images, 2 headlines. That means we have 6 creatives. Okay, so each of these images will get these 2 headlines. Okay, so once we have done this, then now you can click on create. Now you can see there are altogether 6 creative. Now you can simply click on here. Sorry, you can simply click on here and see headline and this image, this icon. Okay, if you think some mistake have happened, then you can simply click on this pencil button and edit. Okay, edit anything here, or if there is no, and then click on save, or if there is no any mistake, then you can simply click on cancel and you'll reach here. And maybe you want to delete this, you can delete it. Okay, if you want to duplicate it and edit it, you can simply click on here and duplicate and edit it. Okay, so once this much is done, then you can click on next. So now in case of optimization, when you are just starting your campaign, do not turn it on. If you want to turn it on, that's not a problem, but you need to see things manually firstly, because you don't know, for example, let's say this creative is getting it's a bit costly. It is getting clicks. The clicks are a little bit costly, but it is bringing conversion. Okay, and if you are saying that cost per view is 0.6 and the cost per view will be like 0.9, then this optimization will turn off that creative, or let's say yeah, sorry, particular widget. Okay, widget that have this creative that is bringing you conversion, it will turn it off if the price of this cost per view will be 0.9. Okay, that's why it is better to turn this off in the start. Okay, now in case of auto pausing rule, you can simply click on learn more. Okay, and read this article, how it works, how you can create auto pausing rule. Okay, you can read it, or you may you can also create yourself a auto pausing rule. As you can see, I have created auto pausing rule that if the cost is greater than $3 and widgets are less than $5, then pause that widget ID. Okay, now if you want to create auto pausing rule, you can simply click on create new rule in this way. Okay, and apply rule to widget IDs. Okay, always apply the rule to widget IDs, and then the action is pause. Okay, when, so let's say if the cost is greater than $4, for example. Okay, and add condition, and if the let's say widget numbers is less than 6, for example. Okay, then pause that widget. Okay, so if the cost is greater than $4 and widget is less than $6, then pause that widget id. So in the time range you can select 24 hours or 12 hours, it's your choice. And the frequency you can select, sorry, let's select for 24 hours, and frequency you can select 1 hour or 3 hour. Okay, according to these hours the rule will be, as you can see, the rule will run every 1 hour. Okay, or you may, the rule will run every 3 hours. According to this timing, the rule will be applied to all of the widget. Okay, so once you did this much, then you can simply click on apply. Okay, I'll not do this. For example, if you did apply that, then maybe it will appear in this way. Okay, but you can always cancel that auto pausing rule in this way. So I do use this auto pausing rule especially when I have all the I've got all the traffic and I want to decrease my spend, then I will use this kind of auto pausing rule. Okay, so in frequency capping you can select 2. Okay, and then impression per widget is 1, that's okay, and run all the time. Okay, but if you want to run in the specific hour, let's say, you can select here from where you don't want to run, you can deselect that hours. Okay, in this way, maybe you don't want to you only want to run in this blue timing, like it is 12 12 13 14 15 hour, or maybe if you want to run in these also, if you want to run in this hour also, then you can select these hours. Okay, then, and you can see it is active, it is inactive hours. Okay, and your ad will only run in this time. So once everything is done, then you can simply click on save, and then, so let me click on save for once. Okay, once you click on save, then your campaign is gone for review, and once it is approved, then you'll immediately start to receive the traffic. Okay, it is as simple as this much to launch a direct linking campaign in volume DSP to promote ClickBank offers. Okay, so always remember what I told you about the headlines. Okay, your headline and your ad title, most likely they need to be congruent, otherwise it will be hard for you to get some conversion. But however, you can test other headlines also. I'm not saying you do not test anything, you can test. I do test other headlines also, but most likely I have seen whenever I'm direct linking, these kind of headlines works best. Okay, so guys, this much I wanted to show you in this tutorial video, and if you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section, and do like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.